Hello family, Sir here. In this video, I'm going to give you a tour for a model home, but more so than the model home, I want to talk about a brand new community that we'll be releasing soon that you need to be looking out for. Now, this community is located in the Steele Creek area of Charlotte, North Carolina, and is by Meritage Homes. They are one of the major builders here in the area, and they are the only builder who uses spray foam, which means their homes are very energy efficient. Pricing in this community starts off in the 300s. But please reach out to my team and I because they will be releasing lots for their first phase. And if you know anything about new construction and first phase, that means the best pricing. Do not delay. Reach out to me today or tomorrow because they will be releasing these lots next week. All right, let's go ahead and look at this Johnson floor plan. It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home with a guest suite downstairs. Let's go. This is the Johnson floor plan at Meritage Shopton Point community. Now, this floor plan is a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath with a 2-car garage. Now, here is the floor plan of the property. When you come in, you do have a flex room. Downstairs, you also have a guest suite downstairs. Now let's look upstairs. Now upstairs, you have a big loft area with a primary suite having this whole wing. Now, this is the foyer area. Let's take a look at the home. You have the large 2-story foyer. This is your flex room. You could use it as a dining room, as the model home is. Then you walk into the open living room, dining, kitchen area. This floor plan offers so much light. You have the recessed lighting. Over top, you have the under cabinet lighting. You have the built-in oven, gas cooktop. This is your butler's pantry. And another look at the flex area, or in this case, the dining room. You have a drop zone, and then you have this guest suite downstairs, which I've seen people use as a office and put a Murphy bed in there. And then you have a full bathroom downstairs. Perfect for older in-laws to where they don't have to jump in and out of a tub. They just can walk right into the shower. Now let's head upstairs. When you get to the top of the stairs, you have this large loft. Let me know how you feel about the loft. I have some people say, you know what, that's just wasted space, make it another bedroom. Or do you prefer having a loft? What I really like about Meritage, I'm showing you their foam installation. Their homes are the only homes in the Charlotte area by a mass builder that use foam installation. It does save drastically on energy cost. That is something that you should consider when purchasing a home, how energy efficient it is. They also use a hair filtration system that filters the air in the home. I believe it's up to 120 times an hour. This is your secondary bathroom for the bedrooms upstairs. You have a dual vanity sink. Then you have bedroom 3. These bedrooms are good size. And bedroom 4. Now let's head to the primary bedroom suite. But before we do, we're going to take a stop into the laundry room. Look at how large this laundry room is. Here you have the primary suite. You do have tray ceilings. Very large bedroom. Now Shopton Point is located in Steele Creek. This is the Meritage community. And pricing for this community is starting off in the 3s. Now, if we've learned anything, starting off means you need to be one of the first people on the list. Make sure you're pre-approved, ready to go, because once they get a handful of sales, they are going to start increasing their pricing. So reach out to me if you're interested in this floor plan or this community, or if you're interested anywhere else in the greater Charlotte area. My team and I, we are here to help. This is the Johnson floor plan by Meritage Homes, and we're touring the Shopton Point community. Number is on the screen. I'm Sir Ashley. I look forward to talking to you.
Talk to me